Tonight, the parents of a 3-year-old, Noah McAdams, they were back in court today at issue whether or not mom and dad will regain immediate custody of their child. Remember, these are the parents who refused additional chemotherapy treatment for Noah, who has a form of leukemia. Fox 13's Josh Cassio was in court today. Josh, tell us what happened.
Well, the judge didn't just give Noah back to his parents, instead ruling the little boy will stay with his grandparents now, though the parents will be allowed visitation. Still up in the air whether or not Noah will be forced to continue chemotherapy.
That there's probable cause to shelter the child.
It wasn't the outcome the parents of Noah McAdams were looking for. A Hillsborough County judge ruling the 3-year-old will not be turned back over to mom and dad right now. He'll stay with his grandparents for the time being.
We do not believe that this is fair or a just resolution, but we do still have the ability to fight.
It's been awful. I haven't been able to sleep or really eat anything at all, so I'm just a nervous wreck.
The family wrapped up in a legal fight following a frantic multi-state search by law enforcement this week. Their son was diagnosed with leukemia. After 2 rounds of chemo, they say Noah was cancer-free. Doctors wanted to continue the treatment, but Noah's parents instead traveled to Kentucky in search of alternative medicines.
Seeing that he had no cancer cells in his body, we said we got to find a different treatment, a better one for him that's not going to hurt him so much.
I think we have to get over that fallacy that chemotherapy is the only treatment available for people with cancer at this point. And especially in Florida now, we have medical cannabis, we have CBD. Both of those are viable options.
Both parents will be allowed visitation, both at the grandparents' house and in the hospital where they're planning to see Noah tonight. Going forward, they know their legal fight is still far from over.
We're definitely pushing for more, a lot more, to get our baby back.
The attorney for Noah's parents is pushing to get a second opinion on further chemo treatment. He says the plan is to have another hearing to decide whether or not Noah will be forced to continue that chemo treatment. Obviously, the parents don't want that, but in the end, it'll likely come down to a judge's decision.